we just had some huge breaking news that caused the crypto market to boom, caused the stock market to boom. And the interesting part about this is just day one of 90 days. We may see a lot of excitement in the coming months. And we're going to talk about what exactly happened, how this might shape up as time goes on. So if you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So for those that missed the announcement, this is a big one. It comes in two parts. First of all, what Donald Trump said is that based on the lack of respect that China has shown to the world markets, I'm hereby raising the tariff charge to China by the United States of America to 125% effective immediately. Now, obviously, that kind of fills into the ongoing rising tensions between the U.S. and China. But the exciting part of this actually came in the latter part of the announcement. And what it says is, I have authorized a 90-day pause and substantially lowered reciprocal tariffs during this period of 10%, also effective immediately. And this is on all other nations of the world. The reason why this is in fact being done right now is because there have been over 75 countries that have reached out to the US to discuss trades, tariffs, currency manipulation, all these different things that Donald Trump has listed. And this is a big deal because what we have now seen is a massive boom across the crypto market. What I mean by that is almost everywhere you're looking, it's double-digit percentage gains on today's daily candles, which is a very exciting sign. We saw over $3.5 trillion gained in the U.S. stock market, and this was as of 20 minutes ago. This was just following the announcement. So this is massive excitement. This is a massive push to the upside. We've seen the total market cap of crypto climb to $2.58 trillion, almost targeting this retest box. And this may in fact continue over time. Now, this isn't financial advice or a guarantee or anything like that. And really what we're seeing right now in a big way is massive short liquidations. This is taking place for BTC. This is taking place throughout the space. And this is why I warn time and time again for people to not get too comfortable around these ranges, for the bears to not get too comfortable, because there are a lot of surprises that take place in the crypto market. And the way that things were shaping up, the amount of support and embrace that we were seeing, from nations throughout the world to actually get deals done, it was only a matter of time until we had a major announcement like this. Now, how things are probably going to shake out over the next 90 days is ongoing negotiations that are going to be mutually beneficial for obviously the US and these other countries throughout the world, but ones that are going to put the US first, meaning that the US economy has a real opportunity to take massive strides forward. Now, the big question is, how is China going to react here? Because now the ball is in China's court. The U.S. has shown that, hey, we are willing to negotiate. We are willing to put these trade deals in place. And now it's up to you whether you want to participate or be on an island, do your own thing, right? And it's going to take, it's going to take time for this to shape up or shake out. Now, what I will say is I'm glad that I had some long positions open. I did still have my shib and my ADA long open from the other day. My shib long is up about 60% at the time of filming this video. ADA long is up about 118%. And, if you guys do obviously want to check out BTCC or Margex, there are some links in the description below. You guys can check those out. You can actually earn up to $10,000 in deposit and trading bonuses. There's no KYC. So feel free to check that out if you guys would like. But what I will say here is that we're still not out of the woods yet. Yes, this is exciting. Yes, this is very good, but understand that we still have macro data coming tomorrow. We still have, jobs reports coming up next month. We have PC report at the end of this month. We still have Q1 GDP coming later this month as well. So 90 days is a long time. But like I talk about actually in some other videos, this bounce across the crypto market is not a surprise. Things have been shaping up like this for a while. And again, you can get to a point where you hit this floor where people have so much conviction and they're unwilling to dump their bags that the only real way you can go is up. And now basically the shorts and the bears have been put on notice. And again, these liquidations may in fact continue as time goes on. I warned some people they should probably close their short positions, and luckily, it sounds like some of them heeded those warnings. All right. Now, the good news is you have to have a bit of humor when it comes to this. If you guys remember, Eric Trumpet did in fact make this post back in February saying, in my opinion, it's a great time to add ETH. Obviously, Donald Trump earlier today said this is a great time to buy. And Crypto Rover said Donald Trump is definitely a better financial advisor than Eric. And sure, that's definitely the way things are shaping up. So hopefully this is something that continues as the day goes on, but I definitely wanted to keep you guys updated. I'd love to hear your thoughts. How do you think this is going to shake out over the next 90 days? We are accelerating again towards interest rate decreases. We're accelerating towards the conclusion of quantitative tightening and heading towards quantitative easing, global liquidity on the rise. This again could be a major inflection point in the crypto market. Even if this, is kind of a relief bounce and we return back to the mean and we start to go sideways for a bit, we're again still confirming that the market has the strength. It's setting this floor for this next massive run that we have ahead of us. So I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.